guess it's time for us to go home. I don't want to go back to being an adult. I want to stay here. It's sunny and pretty all the time. Also, I don't have on any makeup today. Just eyebrows and this filter because I look like death. Well, my eyes look like death. Very, 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 very tired still. And last night was very eventful. But yeah, Bae's inside getting a drink because he's thirsty. We're gonna get some water. We're gonna hit Jacksonville Beach on the way home, and then we're going back to being adults, which sucks. Bye. A little bit of ice. Not a full cup.
Man, this is already cold.
Ice cold. He bought a gallon of water. Alright, St. Augustine, Florida. Pit stop, we have to go back to Georgia. Really wish we could just stay. Don't want to go home. This water is a lot colder here. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, this water is ice compared to Daytona. Now in Daytona it was like 85. I don't know how much it is here. How warm it is here, but it's kind of chilly. And the middle finger up to you fucking season.